In this little video we are going to look at the IEL Revealer component. So the IEL Revealer component allows you to gradually reveal the contents of your IEL lesson to the students in the class. So this is most useful in a live setting where you have an instructor or teaching assistant interacting with the students in your class, be it in a lecture format or in a computer lab. Frequently in those circumstances you want to avoid some students charging ahead and completing all of the material while you still are at the beginning and want to have a, let's say, group discussion or want to wrap up a certain section. So if you have different thematic sections in your lesson, you might want to consider using this revealer component and then kind of keeping everyone on a more similar pacing and similar progression through the lessons. That obviously doesn't preclude you from introducing any voluntary or extra activities to satisfy those students who might just naturally be a bit faster and want to have some additional material. When you use this component, you basically just wrap any child text that you want to unveil into this component. For the students, they don't really see anything until the content has been revealed. But the instructor now has this little button which allows them to actually now share or make this content visible to the students. There is also a little drop-down menu, as you can see here, which allows you to select which cohorts to show the content to. Now this is really only necessary if you have concurrent lab sections that are running at the same time in a class and you just want to share the content to only the students of one of those sections. Otherwise you can just really disregard that drop-down menu and just use the Revealer component button here. Now, the Revealer component is only one means of trying to kind of balance the different requirements of a kind of individual work and more like a lecture style format or more group work in an IEL lesson. One other option I want to mention is this kind of blackout functionality that we have here in the status bar. Clicking on this button will turn the screen black for everyone who's currently logged in. And here the use case would be, again, a lecture setting where you as the instructor want to have the undivided attention of the class and talk about let's say an introduction to the material or some other content. And it's pretty easy, you just click this button, the screen will turn black, and when you click the button again, this fade out will be removed. So hopefully these two options will prove useful for you as you use IEL in your classes. Thank you, and we will see each other soon when we delve into some of the other IEL components that you can use.